Yes, yesterday we have discussed about the beekeeping equipments. That is the first way the smoker is the required for the gently give the smoke to paralyze or the cease the activity of the bee. So bee cannot the sting. Then the bee brush for remove the bees from the hives. Then this is the feeder with the sticks feeder is there and the scraper they will remove for the wax and this also the scraper for the remove the propolis is there. This is the hive tool and this the frame holding uh, apparatus is there. So this is the number of the then bee well is the required bee well which is the wearing on the face to protect the stinging from the bees. Then the apron or the bee uh, complete dress which is the beware. That's then the shoes, some hunting shoes like shoes are there. So gloves, hand gloves, these are the requirements of the beekeeping equipment. Then now we are going to study the products of the beekeeping. Generally, we get the five products. Majority of one is the honey is the first bee product is the honey. Honey prepared from the nectar of the single flower source is called the unifloral or the monofloral honey. Majority the what the habit of the bees. Once they are select the one kind of the flower from the nature and till up to the fluorescence of that the flower, they will collect. They are continuously collect the pollen of the same or the nectar of the same flower. They visit and visit to same flower. So the cross pollination is the easily occur in that the flower crops or the cross pollination is occurring in the same that species. Due to this the habit of this the and so whatever the nectar is collect, whatever the honey is collect, it has the own odor, own skin, and so it is known as unifloral or the monofloral. And so the you can heard the jamun honey or the lychee honey because that the bees are only visit towards the jamun plants, only the lychee plants, only the what are the we say that the neem honey as a director indica neem honey or the mangifera honey like the mango bee. So this is the coconut honey. So they are visit only toward the particular kind of the flowers are there. So this is the and many times what happen if there is the flora of the same species is not multi means in abundant in a large quantity. So that at that times whatever be the mixed flora is there that then is a collect. The bees are collected by the mixed honey also. So the honey is the extremely variable in its property and composition. It has the characteristics flavors and the aromas depending upon the plant source. It has the different aromas in the skin, smell, then the flavors. The freshly extracted honey is the viscous liquid, which is a semi-solid viscous like the glycerin, liquid and the hygroscopic. It is the low surface tension. If it kept on the glass slides and kept the slope, it goes slowly goes run away. So it is the dense material and so this is the low surface tension of the honey and that it makes the excellent emulsions in the cosmetic products. It mostly it's the so due to this the nature of that hygroscopic nature is used in the cosmetic products because they cannot dry and there. Color in the liquid honey varies from clear and the colorless. There is a very colorless due to the presence of the nature of the nectar and pollen are there. Like water to dark amber or the black to the depends upon the botanical origin, age and the storage condition. Crystallization is the another important characteristic. Honey can go to the crystallization after the long period. The crystallization results from the formation of the monohydrate glucose crystals. They form the monohydrate glucose. Mostly here it is not polysaccharides, it is monohydrate glucose crystals. Average the composition of the ripened Indian honey is given below. That's what the composition of there. Water is the 20 to 89%, 20.89. Apiary honey. What is the, it's the natural one, but in the apiary, it reduces about 18.9 to the 24.2%. Then the rock bee, the water content in the 16.5 only. The levulose sugar, that the fructose and glucose, is the, whatever I already tell here, that the sugars are the monohydrate glucose. So the levulose sugar is the fructose is the 41%. That sugar is mostly found in the fruits. Dextrose sugar 35%. That is the sweetest sugar. Is there. Sucrose. Sucrose is the disaccharide. That is the 1.9. And dextrins less than the 2%. And the ash is there the in 0.185 to the 1.4. So this is the composition of the honey is there. In addition, so, 1 minute. In addition, there are the 1 minute for the plant. Also present the small quantity of honey contains about 0.1% nitrogen that they exist in the form of the protein derivatives and the amino acids and the various vitamins that are the important from the human nutrition. Free acid, the gluconic acid is there. Enzymes like the diastase, invertase, catalase, and glucose oxidase are also the reported to be present. Honey also contains the several species of the sugar tolerant yeasts. Uses, what the uses of the honey is that in virtually every culture, evidence can be found of its use as a food source and a symbol employed in the religious, magic, and the therapeutic ceremonies. Okay, already I explained it, the is used in the religious ceremony, in magic, and the therapeutic. In theory, in the medicinal use, is a good which a food source. A major part of the production is presently consumed as a food of or the food ingredient. About 10% of the production is used in industry, mainly in Ayurvedic preparation. In Ayurveda, they prepare the churna, Ayurvedic preparation, pharmaceuticals, bakery, and the confectionery and the tobacco industry. Majority in the Ayurveda, whatever their kadas and the tablets, they are the bitter in taste. So they are coated with the honey, and so are they are preferred to the people. This take with the honey because to what are the bitter taste is become the lesser bitter due to the mixing of the honey is there, and honey is the nutritious again. So it is the valued for the nutritive value, giving the energy, health, strength, and the vigor. It facilitates better physical performance, resistant to the fatigue, higher mental efficiency. It also serves as the general tonic for the newborn infants and the young and the elder, the consumption. So the honey can give to in any ages, newborn also, infants also, young also, or the elder, or the any convalescent. The recent scientific study of the on the human that the honey is the reported to slow down the oxidation of LDL, means the low density lipoproteins, and checks the atherosclerotic plaque deposition in the blood vessels. So deposition of fat, they can check out there. Honey is the potential dietary antioxidant to counter the reactive free radicals. That is the honey is used in preparation of the pickles, jam, jelly. This is the industrial use of the honey in the food industry. It is used in the preparation of pickles, jams, jellies, caramels, squashes, sauces, and the ketchups and sweetmeats like the tarts, pankers, pastries, fries, and the puddings, and the confectionery like the sweets. Whatever your chocolates and the Cadbury's are there, like the sweets, candies, coffees, eclairs, and the chocolates, and the bakery products like the breads, biscuits, cakes, and the cookies. Everywhere the use of the honey is there. So the students, next one is the traditionally honey has been used as the vehicle in Ayurveda, the Siddha, Unani, and other indigenous system of the medicine. It is the antimicrobial and the antiseptic and helps in the healing of wounds and the burns in the natural way. It has the mild bleaching action on skin and use the facial shampoos and other cosmetics. So the bleaching action is there. So it is used in your facial pack, in shampoo, and in the cosmetics. The bee wax is the another bee product. But the bee wax is the metabolic product of the honeybees. Worker honeybees of less than 2 weeks of age produce the bee wax. In a process of the synthesizing the esters in the fat body behind the wax glands, rock bee wax is usually dark yellow to brownish in color. The bee wax from the hives bee is the white to pale yellow color, and the melting point of the rock bee is the 59.60 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius, and that of the stingless bees having the 66.5, and that of the European bee has the 62.5 degrees Celsius. Bee wax is the highly complex mixture of the hydrocarbons and the esters. The composition of the wax is there. It is made up from the hydrocarbons and ester, the monohydric alcohols combined with the straight chain fatty acids and the hydroxy acids. The total unsaponifiable matter that the hydrocarbons and alcohols is known as the unsaponifiable is about the 58% in both the Indian and the European bee wax. What the uses of the wax is there? The wax used, see, wax is the consumed by the beekeepers for the making of wax foundations, which are the given to the bees as a guide for the construction of their. Mostly the wax is used for the made up for the wax foundations, comb foundations, which is giving the support toward the construct the new combs. It is a very special characteristics like the medicinal benefits, plasticity, and the aroma ensure its containing use. Bee wax is in high demand for the commercial purposes because whatever your cosmetic material they contain the bee wax, like in the your lipsticks are there, eyeshadows there, or whatever maybe facial packs are there. Then the polishing in polishes like the wooden polish, furniture polish, or then vehicle polishes are there. The being the insert the bee wax is the safe for the human consumption as an the ingredient in human food. It is used as a used in the human food also. It is used for the coating for drugs or pills, and also it to fill the capsules with the equal amounts of the drug or the other ingredients of the various ones. This the wax is the used for the coating the fruits like the apple to avoid the desiccation of the fruits. So, they can remain for long period for the fresh by keep the coating with the wax that the fruits keep in the melted wax and that is dried and make the coat around it. So if you scratch the apple, you can find out the some whitish material with the deposit that are nothing but the waxing material is the, around the apples and the another some fruits are there. The high quality beeswax obtained from the capping is the compatible with the cosmetic ingredients and frequently used in the ointments, cleansing material, creams, cold creams, lotions, emollient, and the barrier creams. Then the depilators, lipsticks, nail creams, sun protection products, eye and the face makeup, and the foundation creams. So in the beeswax is used in the preparation of the candles, church candles, in metal casting and modeling because due to the its plasticity. Due to the plasticity, they are used in the whatever the statues there, wax statues. Then the another product of is the royal jelly. It is the royal jelly. Royal jelly is the special liquid food rich in the proteins, hormones, vitamins, organic acids, and the minerals secreted by the hypopharyngeal gland of the young worker or the nurse bees. Royal jelly is the whitish in color with the yellow tinge with a pungent phenolic odor. It's have the pungent phenolic odor and the characteristic sour flour. Sour. It is the partially soluble in water. It is acidic pH 3.6 to the 4.2. About two-thirds of its water by dry weight, proteins 73.9% and the sugars are the largest fractions. A total of the 29 amino acids are their derivatives have been identified. A number of enzymes are also present, including glucose, oxidase, phosphatase, and the cholinesterase. The lipid fraction consists of the free fatty, the major mineral salts like the calcium, potassium, calcium, sodium, zinc, ferrous, copper, and the magnesium. See, this is the collection of the royal jelly.
Collection of royal jelly, bee pollen, and propolis. Collection of royal jelly. Let's see about the royal jelly collection in Italian bees. Open the hive by smoking away the bees. The beekeeper is taking the artificial queen breeding frame from the hive.
So the artificial queen cells are kept there, where the worker bees fed to the queens as the royal jelly collection.
Let's give a jerk to remove the bees from the frames. Remove the bees by using the brush. The open, narrow part of the cells from each row is cutted by using a sharp knife to facilitate and speed up the collection. Now, what we are seeing is open queen cells with royal jelly and larvae.
Now they want to remove the larvae from the cup cells.
When the larvae are removed with a pair of soft forceps, taking care not to harm them and contaminate the jelly. The royal jelly is extracted by emptying each cell with a small spatula. Following extraction, the cells are immediately ready for another rearing cycle. Royal jelly is a honeybee secretion that is used in the nutrition of larvae as well as adult queens. It is secreted from the glands in the hypopharynx of worker bees and fed to all larvae. Royal jelly is used for the queen determination. It is used as gentle egg tonic for boosting immune system. It is used to cure the asthma, liver, stomach, kidney, and skin diseases. Collection of bee pollen. This is a pollen shop consisting of collection tray, dryer opening, and top screen.
This is pollen trap.
First, fix the pollen trap in front of the beehive entrance. Collection of royal jelly, bee pollen, and propolis. Taste ginger jar is uttered by and larvae. Larva there are immediately outgoing. Yes, this is a pollen shop consisting of collection tray, dryer opening, and top screen. First, fix the pollen shaft in front of the beehive entrance. This is a pollen collection tray where the pollen is collected. Now the bees are coming with the pollen and entering into the hive through the folds. While entering, the pollen from these legs get trapped and passed down to the collection dryer of the pollen trap. After that, open the tray and see the collected bee pollen. Bee pollen is used for nutrition, appetite stimulate, improve stamina, athletic performance, and for weight loss, and also gastrointestinal problems, and also used in skin softening products. Collection of propolis. Select the appropriate box and open the box by smoke away the bees. Using a sharp knife, scrap
The
and
propolis.
take the propolis which were glued to the frames. Propolis gathered by the bees from resinous exudes of tree. In the bee colony, propolis is used for sticking frames, sealing cracks, but it is a contaminant of comb wax. Propolis is used to reinforce the structural stability of the hive. It reduces vibration and it is used to prevent the disease and parasites from entering the hive, inhibit the fungal and bacterial growth. It is used in preparing ointments for treating cuts, wounds, and abscesses in cattle. It is mixed with Vaseline to reduce burns. Thank you for watching this video.
Yes. Then this in video we are seeing the three methods: collection of the royal jelly, collection of the pollen, and the collection of the propolis. Now we are studied the use of the royal jellies. The spectacular fertility and the long lifespan of the queen feed on the royal jelly has the suggestively led people to believe that royal jelly may produce similar effects in the humans too. So, to some fertility problems in the humans will be solved by the giving the royal jelly to the women. If any the period problems is there, menstrual problems are there, or the fertility problem is there, will be solved by the royal jelly. So they act as a like the bee, queen bee. People have the experience it is as the general tonic and the stimulant improving the general well-being, resistance to fatigue, learning capacity, and the memory and the appetite. They can increase the memory, appetite, and the general health improvement. Royal jelly is act as the juvenile products. The old age people can look like the young by feeding on the royal jelly. So it is the rejuvenate. The royal jelly improves the immune response and general body functions or increase the immunity. Royal jelly is used as the ingredient in medicines like product. It is usually mixed with the medicines, tonics, beverages, and cosmetic products soon after its production, or sometimes it is freeze dried. Though it's freshly used because it's the early ferment and the loss the its contents. So it's be stored in the dry condition. A mixture of royal jelly in honey, 1.1 to 3% royal jelly is probably the most common way in which royal jelly is used as the food ingredient. That is the probably the largest use of royal jelly is in cosmetics and dermatological preparation also. Next one is the pollen. Next product is the pollen is there. Pollen in India. Rock bee collect the enormous quantities of pollen. The Central Bee Research and the Trading Institute, Pune, made the pollen supplements using rock pollen bee pollen. After the harvest from the bee colonies, the pollen loaders are carefully air dried or fresh frozen or preservation. These pollens are collected from the hive and freshly frozen or the air dried and packed into the airtight glass bottles. Pollen is also the sold as the tablets in capsule. You can see the bicapsule capsules, that the colored capsule. They are kept in a whitish transparent and the color small particles. These are nothing but the pollens are kept in the capsules, and that the bicapsules, the capsule, B12 vitamins capsule. Tablets in the capsule mixed with the honey. The major components are the proteins and the amino acids, lipids and the sugar. The minor components are the more diverse, including the flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamins, mineral, terpenes, nucleic acids, and the nucleosides. Enzymes and the growth regulators, all essential amino acids are found in the pollen. What the uses of the pollen? The major use of the pollen today is as the food or is as the food or the food supplement. The tribals eat the combs pollen while they are harvesting honey. The tribal people they are directly eat the pollen from the combs. Pollen is used in the medicine for the treatment of the disease like the chronic disease, the prostatitis, bleeding, stomach, ulcer, respiratory infection, and the control of the allergy reactions. To stop the bleeding of in stomach ulcers, prostate glands, chronic prostate glands, there is a good number of non-scientific reports of benefits, cures or the improvements in the athletic performance. It acts as the increases the stamina of the any work, athletic performance, digestive assimilation. This is a increased appetizer and the digesters. Rejuvenation, general vitality, skin vitality, appetite, hemoglobin content, increase the hemoglobin, and the sexual powers by use of the bee collect pollens. The pollen has only recently been included in some cosmetic preparation with the claims of rejuvenating and the nurturing the effects for the skin. And the propolis, you've seen that the film or the video by the scrapping, the blackish blue colored. The propolis is the mixture of the beeswax and there is the resin collected by the honeybee plant. Propolis is not the synthesized the bee. They are collect from the plant resin material. In the process of the collection of resins, it is mixed with the some saliva as well as the with wax. Propolis used by the worker bee to line the inside the nest cavities, brood combs, to repair combs, seal small cracks in hive. If this the hive is the cracked, they are the filled with the propolis. They holding the hive toward the where these are the fixed the hive. Propolis is the use there. Then the entrances reduces the light coming into the hive by entrances and the seal the brood cells. These uses are the significant because they take the advantage of the antibacterial and the antifungal effects. With the help of the propolis, they are the avoid the antifungal. They have the antifungal and the antibacterial property. And with the on this basis, the propolis is used in medicinal basis, medicinal use. Propolis ranges from yellow to the dark brown in color depend on the resin material. At the temperature of 25 to the 45 degrees Celsius, propolis is the soft and the very sticky substance. Typically, propolis will become liquid at 600 to the 700 degrees Celsius. So it's the high melting point. But for some sample, the melting point may be as high as to the 1000 degrees Celsius. Uses. What the use of the propolis? The Greek, Romans, and the Egyptians already knew that propolis would be heal the skin abscesses. In sub-Saharan Africa, propolis is the still used today in the herbal medicines. They are used in the herbal medicines, like they are make the ointment like the chirol on the foot and the heart in the chirol. In Africa, it is still used today as the medicine and the adhesive for the turning drums, sealing tracked water, containers or the cannons. It has been incorporated in the special varnishes. Used in the varnish. It's the antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, acne, pimples, anti-inflammatory, and the antioxidant characteristics provide many benefits of its the applications in medicines, dermatological, and the cosmetic treatment. The antioxidant, antimicrobial, antifungal activities of propolis also offer scope of for the application as the preservative in the food technology also. Then the venom, bee venom is the next product of that the bee product. Honeybee venom is the clear, odorless, watery liquid. Honeybee venom is the produced by the two glands associated with the sting apparatus. Of worker bees, sting is the evolved from the oviposition. Instead of ovipositor, the in worker the sting ovipositors is modified in the sting apparatus. Its production increases during the first 2 weeks of the adult workers. Life and reaches the maximum when the worker bee becomes involved in the hive defense and the foraging. About 88% of venom is water, and the glucose, fructose, and the phospholipid contents of venom are similar to those of the bee's blood. At least 18 pharmacologically active components, including the various enzymes. 18 components are there. The phospholipase A2, then the hyaluronidase acid, phosphomonoesterase, lipophospholipase, and the beta glucosidase, proteins, peptides, meltin, famine, mast cell, then the decoralentin peptide, MCD, the cysapin, procarmine, procamine, adalpin, protease, inhibitor, tetrapin, and the various small peptides, and the amines, histamine, dopamine, and the noradrenaline have been described in the venom. Uses. Bee venom has been has long been used in the traditional medicine for the treatment of the various kinds of the rheumatism. Ointments can be prepared by the thoroughly homogenizing bee venom with the white Vaseline petrolatum or the melted animal fat and the salicylic acid in the ratio of 1 as to 10 as to 1. That is, it used in the cure of the disease like the arthritis, chronic pain, epilepsy, rhinocytes, then the polyneuris, then the neuroglia, migraine, migraine, multiple sclerosis, asthma, and the tropical ulcers. It's reported are there. So this is the video on the bee venom collection. This is the electric plate on the entrance, and the current is fast. So by the little shock, these are the ejected their venom into the spongy glass plates, and the venom is the dried, and after the scratching there, the venom is the collected in the powder form. shoes are not tight after the engine because there is no muscle part, so the valve cannot shift with this glass plate, so they can remain as it is. So the worker be here not right.